Meanwhile, there were some, interesting developments as well when it comes to the High Court and Clare O'Neil on the weekend as well, on Sunday in Agenda. Talk us through that.
Tom, there were some frank admissions by the Home Affairs Minister Clare O'Neil on Sunday Agenda, including that after the release of 93 immigration detainees because of this High Court decision on indefinite detention, up to 250 others could be released, and there will be further refinements to the laws, she said, that apply to putting ankle bracelets and other restrictions on these released murderers, pedophiles and others of questionable character that the High Court has effectively released. But most significantly of all, yesterday the Minister indicated the reason the government might have been flat-footed in dealing with this issue last week was because her department advised her she was likely to win the case.
We were advised that it was likely that the Commonwealth would win the case, that is, allow us to do what we wanted to do, which is keep these people in detention.
How recently did you receive that advice?
Well, we received that advice from the Department of Home Affairs, who tell us what chances we have of success and failure in each legal case. But I do need you to understand that...
When did you receive that advice?
I do need you to understand that our department is one of the most litigated against departments of the Commonwealth. So let's just be really clear about this. Some of the crimes that have been committed by these people are deplorable and disgusting. And that is why they were being detained by me and our government.
Including by the other 250.
Up until the point that the High Court told us this was illegal. The additional people who are in detention because the Australian government, my view and Minister Giles's view, is that we do not want these people on the streets.
Now, it's been put to me that any departmental advice on this is based on what's called prospects advice, which comes from either the Australian Government Solicitor or the Solicitor General himself. And there are regular updates on such cases after hearings. Now, we've reported that in June, Justice Jacqueline Gleeson made comments in the High Court that should have had those lawyers and departmental officials wondering if the case would be lost. But you have the Minister there saying she was advised it was a likely win. Well, certainly didn't turn out to be the case.